Hi, friends. We're going to do another letter. Anybody know what this letter is? It's letter C. Uppercase C, lowercase c. C, remember, letters can't talk. They can only make a sound. That's right. Let me tell you what sound C makes. For cactus. Let me hear you say it. Good. So letter C makes the sound k for cactus. Uppercase C, lowercase c, okay? Let me show you some other words that start with C besides cactus. Cat. Let me hear you say it. Cat. There's lowercase c for cat. Cow. Lowercase c. Cow. Camel. Lowercase c. Camel. Ooh, I love this. Corn. Very good. Corn. There's lowercase c. It starts the word corn. Cup. Lowercase c. Cup. Anybody know what this is? Crab. Yeah, you're going to get your finger pinched if you put them in those claws. Crab. Crab. Yep. Crayon. Crayon. Lowercase c. Ooh. Cake. Not birthday cake. Birthday starts with B. This is just cake. C. Clock. C. Can. C. And this is up in the sky. Clouds. Lowercase c. So now we've learned another letter. Letter C. C can't talk. It can make a sound, and the sound that it makes is k. Okay, friends, have fun with your letters.